Hello and welcome dear children. Children, in today's video, I will talk about irregular plurals. Now, the question is, what are irregular plurals? We have heard about singulars and plurals, but what is this irregular plurals? There are some nouns, and if we change them from singular to plural, we do not add s or es. For example, if I say boy, we will add s only, boys, B-O-Y-S. So this is regular noun and regular plural. If we do not add s or es, when we change singular to plural, then that noun is called irregular noun and their plurals are irregular plurals. Suppose I say ox. Ox plural is oxen, O-X-E-N. This is not oxes. So this is irregular plural. Okay, let's see some more examples, children, here. Just see boy, I have already given you this example. Boy, boys. This is regular noun and regular plural, obviously. Man changes to men when we change from singular to plural. This is irregular noun. Word has been completely changed, children. It is not man's, it is men. Box, boxes. Use of es after the noun. Regular noun, mouse, mice. Word is changed here, children. So this is called irregular plural. Children, I have made a video on irregular verbs also. I will give you the link of that video in the description box. You can see that. It is really very important, children, to write good English. Okay, children. Now here in this video, I give you 40 irregular nouns and their plurals. Listen very, very carefully, children, and learn all the plurals so that you do not make any mistake while speaking or writing English. Let's get started, children. First is man, and its plural is men. Woman, women. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Mouse is mice. Knife becomes knives. Wife is wives. Children, see W-I-F-E. It is W-I-V-E-S. In all these, children, you must have observed we have not added only s or es. That is why they are irregular nouns and plurals. Wife, wives. Leaf, leaves. Analysis, analysis. Alumnus, alumni. Goose is geese. Life becomes lives. Calf, plural is calves. Diagnosis is diagnosis, just difference of E, I-N-E. Alumna is alumni. Sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. There are, children, some nouns that remain the same in singular as well as plural. They are also called irregular nouns and plurals. Louse becomes lice. Syllabus is syllabi. Cactus, cacti. Fungus is fungi. Nucleus is nuclei. Wolf is wolves. Axis is axes. Phenomenon is phenomena. Criterion is criteria. Moose is moose. Loaf is loaves. V-E-S. Deer remains deer. Quiz becomes quizzes. Bases is bases only, children. Just difference of I-N-E. Trout is trout only. Oasis, oasis. Again, difference of I-N-E. Swine is swine only. Person becomes people. Children, person, we can write 2 persons, 3 persons. But people is accepted. In formal tone, we can use persons. But otherwise, we prefer writing people. Index is indices. Larva is larva. Species is species only. I hope, children, this topic is clear to you. What are irregular nouns and their plurals? Stay tuned, children, for more videos on different topics. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with others also. Thanks for watching my video.